Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be on this spring look, or I guess anytime look, right? I don't even know why I'm gonna, it should just be like yellow eyeshadow tutorial because that's pretty much what it is, and you can wear this year round. Just change up the lips. Maybe towards summertime I'll get brave enough to do like a poppy pink kind of color on my lips, but right now I'm not trying to scare the world and go crazy, but just a little bit more color is being incorporated into my life as well as in my background. I mean, I feel like YouTube starter kits should come with a glittery background, right? Thanks to Nikki's tutorials, everybody and their mama has one of these, and it's super cute, so I appreciate it. I mean, it could be worse. At least you guys are seeing cute things in the world. Thanks, mama. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this look and me talking the whole damn time, just keep watching. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is kill this fly, I swear. Okay, so the first product I'm going to use is an eye primer, and it is the Benefit Air Patrol. It looks like this. I am a fan of this product, but not really the applicator. It's supposed to be, you know, applied like this with this jelly little tip here, but I just put it, come on. Okay, so here we go. So, and hopefully my camera doesn't adjust like 5,000 times because it's really annoying, and I don't know how to, you know, set it. I really have to look that up and make sure that I can get that under control, because I know it goes from like super bright to super dark over and over and over again. So just using my clean fingers, or are they? I swear this fly is suicidal. Okay, so just a little bit of that. Then I'm going to tape off the sides of my eyes and ignore the hell out of that fly, because seriously, I don't want to kill a living thing. So I'm just kind of, you know, making it not so sticky. I just don't want it to get really ridiculous on my eyeball. So I'm going to go ahead and line up my bottom line going up to my temple. Just like that. So the first thing I'm going to apply all over my lids is going to be this yellow eyeshadow, and this is Starlight. This is the ES69 from Morphe brushes, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my lid. That fly does not give a f. It just flew right through the screen right now. Then you're going to want to hold your brush near the end of, you know, the brush stick or what have you, and then start to blend all of those edges. It just helps. You don't want to get silly with it and like hold it like this, but like, you know, near the end here, and it really does give you a change of weight as far as blending goes. So I'm going to blend it pretty high, just like that. Next, taking Dazzling, this is the ES47, and it's just an orange shimmery color, and I'm going to put that on the inside and also on the outside here. Just give a little bit more dimension. Really concentrating that color on just the outside and the outer V right here. And then we're going to take a fluffy brush and blend those two guys together. Grabbing that eyeshadow brush, the first one that we used to apply the yellow, picking that up and really applying that on the end here, and then moving it into the crease. I'm also going to take a clean fluffy brush and make sure that I blend out that top color. I just don't want it to get crazy. Just like that. So a little bit of color came off, just to clean it up. Then taking my favorite mascara, this is Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, and taking a couple of coats to the top. Peel off the tape so that I can do the eyeliner here. Ah! So there's the tape. You can see it's like a clean line right here. It's more dramatic when you use dark colors, but I wanted to have it pretty clean right here anyhow, because I know yellow is pretty intense. It can get everywhere, so it's pretty clean, which I like. Then I'm going to take my liquid liner. This one's from Milani. It's called their Milani Eye Tech Perfection Liquid Liner. I use this one all the time just because of the way that the grip is, and I think NYX might have something really similar. So if you can't find Milani products, you can always find NYX. They're everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and line my eyeballs. Next up, I'm going to pop on some eyelashes, and these are the MYKONOS from LILLY or Lily Lashes, and it looks like this. I actually got these for Christmas thanks to my BFF. I think it was Christmas. It was either Christmas or Valentine's Day. I don't remember. We usually get ourselves or get each other really cool gifts. So I'm going to have to cut these down to size because they're brand new and I haven't done that yet. So I'm just going to pop these on just to check it out to see how that's going to look. And they're actually really beautiful. Ooh. I can't wait to finish the rest of my face. Talk to me, baby. Keep on holding. Next up, I'm going to do some contour all over my face. I'm going to start with cream powders, or cream products I should say, and I'm going to go ahead and dip my little flat brush, and this one is the Morphe MB30, into this medium or the middle color in this Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and I'm just going to go ahead and place that right here. So when you make your line, you're going to want to go ahead and move up because you don't want just like a big brown streak on your face. So I'm going to go ahead and make my line go up to Jesus. My hair is starting to get involved. It's going to look like I have one big sideburn in a minute. Ah! Oh my gosh, I have like the blackest pants on and I just got powder all over it. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Naked Skin concealer, put that underneath my eyes here. Go downtown, making sure that you really keep control of the shape that you're drawing. It's going to be almost like a cone or a triangle right underneath your eyes. I'll put a little bit down the center of my nose here, and a little bit on my forehead, my chin, and sometimes it gets a little bit crazy in the stash area, so just might as well. Ooh. What was that? My hand broke down on my brush, and I'm like... Then I'm going to do a little bit of baking. I'm going to use the Prep & Prime from MAC. I did want to use the Master Fix from Studio or Face Studio from Maybelline, but I don't know how it works yet, so I don't really want to ruin my makeup because it's cute, and I'm going to go buy a fish with my son after this. Not that I'm trying to holler at fish, but I just don't want to ruin my makeup. So I'm just going to use that same beauty blender or beauty sphere, whatever the heck you want to call this, sphere, and just place that right underneath my eyes. Okay, when I dust that off, then I'm going to finish the rest of my face, but I'm going to go back to my eyeballs because I'm not done there. I feel like I still got a lot of drag queen to do. Next up, I'm using a product from Rimmel London. This is the Blackmail Scandalized eyeshadow stick, and I'm just going to go onto my waterline. I mean, there's no other way I can do it without making a really ridiculous face. I mean, I can make like a... Oh, I guess I don't have to be dramatic. I can get in there without making that face. No, I can't. No, I can't. Why? Here we go. Then I'm going to go in with that same pencil brush that we used earlier to do the orange touch-up. I'm going to go back and grab some more of that yellow and then go underneath, right under here, the yellow. Oh Jesus, the thing I got in my eyeball. Okay, now I'm ready to dust off all this powder, darken up my liner. Some of the liner got overtaken by the powder, and then I'm going to put on some bottom mascara as well. So just take a fluffy brush and dust it off, girl. Sometimes I feel like having the baking powder on your face. Don't use baking powder. Part of the baking process on your face kind of makes the look, and then you dust it off. You're like, oh, it's gone. Then I'm going to go back in with the Shade and Light. And this is a contour palette from Kat Von D. And this is just like a matte powder palette. So I'm going to go back in with that flat brush. Get my line back because I feel like I lost a little bit of that in the process. Hey, whatever you put on your face with cream, you should set it with powder. It should just be like a big duh. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, then I'm gonna take a little bit more of that mascara, put some on my bottom lashes here. That's optional, but I think it needs it just because it's getting like all in my eyeballs. Ah! Then I'm going to do a little bit of highlight. I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera, which I've been using a lot lately. So I'm just going to spray my brush. You can spray your face if you don't want to spray your brush. Get a little bit juicified. Pick up some of that product. And go to town. Probably should have used So Hollywood, but screw it. This is cute. I feel like I would have turned myself into a bumblebee. Go outside and sting all the boys. Everybody gets all crazy around their lips, like chill. Brah. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ham on my lips. Just kidding. I'm gonna keep it natural just because I don't want to go crazy. I never do. I know, I need to get out of my box. I'm using two products from ColourPop, which are super new, and these are from their RIPA collection. I guess there's just two pieces of lip liner and one of their lippy sticks, and they're both in RIPA, right? They're both called RIPA? Yeah. So they're just nude, matte nude. So go ahead and line up these guys. I've been really thinking about getting my lips done. My lips are so chapped right now, so don't think that this is like anything. But I feel like it'll be so obvious because my eyes are so big that my lips are gonna look like crazy. But I'm a little bit crazy, so I think I'm ready for that. I don't know, if you guys live in the Azusa area or near me in LA, and you guys know any doctors that are like thebomb.com, let me know in the comments down below, because I really want to check it out, especially because it's not permanent. I'm just nosy, I want to see what's going on. My lips are so crusty. The doctor's gonna be like, you just need lip balm, get out of my office. Okay, and then adding that. Kind of smells like butterscotch. short. I forgot to cut it today.